What's happening, kinfolk? Well, as you can tell, there's no audio in this clip, so unfortunately my microphone wasn't working, but don't worry, their audio does come back. So I hope you stay tuned, enjoy the rest of the video. Hope you enjoyed the drone footage, and also yeah, this camping trip was very special to us, so we appreciate y'all watching, man. Until the next adventure, man, we'll catch you on the flip side. See you.
No, that's not mosquito.
Oh shit. And man. Get it, man, get it. What the hell you got, man? What the hell you got? Holy shit, let's see what it is. Let's see. Come on, bring it in. Bring it in. What is it? What the fuck is that? Ah, dang, man. Damn eels, man. Hate them things, bro. He swallowed the shit out of that thing too, huh? God dang it. Get it out. We're gonna get rid of that shit. Oh, you got him? You still on him? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No! Son of a... That's that gar, man. That's the damn gar, man. Damn it. Well, we have to get them here in a minute. They starting to come in though. We're gonna have to snatch them up. Yeah, I know, dude. You didn't go anywhere when you pulled back on that joker.
This was more heavy.
That's heavier. Hey, why is that bottle so full? What are you doing? Oh shit. Oh shit.
I got all the opportunity on that one.
I know.
I didn't give him no chance.
God dang, man. It was close. It was close. Did it straighten it out?
Nope.
It's still
It's
good.
sharp too.
Damn it.
That was
All right.
heavy, man.
We'll be back.
That was really heavy.
Halvesies.
Halfsies.
We got halvesies. Let's see what you got. Can't see shit. But Letty's the one that's always making us do this.
The don't blame me.
Cheers.
Cheers.
For many more.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah.
Yes. And more fish.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna go get the
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad.
It's just like Kool-Aid.
It's definitely not like Kool-Aid, but it's not that bad. No. Let's get it.
It's half full.
Already.
Half full.
Already. God dang. Alright. Well, let's see if we can catch something though. That's the test. See if we can catch something. Gina finally caught one. What you got? What you got? A little catfish? Little kitty cat? Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No, I'm not kissing nothing. You gotta kiss it. Alright. Shit, the brother-in-law done snatched something up. What you got, bruh?
Gar.
A gar?
He's right here.
Oh.
A gar.
Where's the lasso?
Wait, wait.
Is it a gar?
Yeah, it's a gar. I can see him right there. Oh my. He's not very big though.
He's not that big.
Uh-uh.
That's the best kind if they're not too.
Yeah, not too big.
Look at him, he couldn't have lasted.
Got some fight in it though, huh?
That was number 1.
Oh yeah.
I was laughing my ass off listening to y'all down there.
It's because there's a bunch of little baby gars.
Holy.
All right there. That's like one.
Just gotta tire him out. Bring his head up, bro. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.
That's on that thing. Come on, man, you can do it.
Oh shit.
Y'all know how to make garballs? That's the best shit I've
It
ever
is
made.
so good.
That's the best way.
So good. There it is.
You can,
There it is.
you can fry them and everything, but oh my god, them garballs
Hell
are the
yeah.
best.
That's nice, bro. About what, 3-footer?
Yeah. 3 feet. Yeah, it's about 3 feet.
3 feet?
No.
You know your phones have a measuring thing on them.
3, 4.
Yeah, 4.
His are about right too.
Yeah. Man, look at the color on it though.
This thing all day.
The color's different, done.
You know them or
Mhm.
I've never seen one with a little snout like that.
Yeah, a little short one, huh? A little short
He's
snout.
just so young.
Yeah,
you know,
this,
he's
yeah,
young
like,
and-
probably because he's young.
Yeah. He's still big for such a
Mhm.
youngster.
That'll work.
Yeah, it's crazy how different they look.
All right. So, we got the brisket nachos going. If you know, if you've been watching the camping videos, you already know the sister-in-law throws down on some brisket nachos. So we've got them going on. Gina, what you think about them brisket nachos, girl?
So good.
Oh man,
Look at
already.
that shit.
Yeah, look at it. Ee-wee. You already know. What the hell? Compliments to the chef. Yes, sir. About to get in it.
Look at mine.
Let me see, let me see.
Yum, yum.
Man.
Yummy in my tummy.
See it. So, we haven't caught many fish. Why?
I have.
Oh, Gabriel had.
I got my gator.
He got the gar. He got the gar. But other than that, we haven't got any fish. But we're gonna end up fishing later on tonight too. So we'll get that going. But y'all stay tuned, man. We'll see what happens and we'll see where it goes. So don't go too far. We'll see you in a little bit. Gabriel got him another one. Gabriel's been the lucky one this whole weekend. Caught one gar already. I think this is another one. Oh, I gotta get a beer. Get a beer to get it going. Let's go look. Hey, Danny. Let's see what it is. I mean, let's see where it's at. Where? Oh, yeah, right there. Where's that big light at?
I don't know. Where's that big ass light? Oh, yo la tengo.
We're gonna have some good alligator gold. Right there. Bam, baby.
Even the
Woo-choo.
That's the ones we
Hell
fucking
yeah. Hell yeah.
own.
Look at that thing.
That's the one we get.
Yeah, these are the ones they usually have. Dang.
Alright, time
Time for a shot.
Yeah. Man, where's the lights at?
There you go.
Let me get the right one. There you go.
There you go. Damn, that son of a bitch is big.
Me tengo los pizzas. No, pizza.
Mm-hmm.
Light.
Dude, look how fat his back is. Huh?
I had a head in there. It took it.
Oh, no shit. That's what you're using?
It fell though.
Oh, did it?
Yeah,
It fell off.
Spit it out.
Yeah, spit it out.
Dang.
Ya lo traías mi pescado, güey.
It's a big one. All right. You know what we're going to do with it? Time to go on, clean it up.
No.
Oh, throw it back.
Throw it back in the water.
Oh, yeah, throw it back. Throw it back.
Be careful, babe.
You need to be on this side. Oh, shit. You don't have to go flip me. I don't know.
You see how big that fucking dance is? This way, bring him this way.
Behind the fence.
Oh my gosh. Oh!
What?
This one has something.
No, no way. He's not tired yet, bro. He's not tired yet. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
You done pissed it off. Hurry up. Holy shit. Third time's a charm. Charm, come on. Oh shit.
we need to go.
Oh, baby, be careful.
Bro, oh my God.
He fucking almost took you in.
Oh, holy shit.
Holy shit, dude.
Dude, that has been the hardest one I have ever fucking tried to get in. Oh my gosh. And bro, I am so glad that some of it latched on because the fucking hook is out.
Oh, yeah? Hey, just spit it
The
out.
hook is out.
He fucking spit it out.
Holy shit.
And that, my friends,